What's going on here, Block?
Well, I've been holding out for a little while. Today is Christy's 26th birthday party. We're having a good, real big cook up. We've been holding off. Shout out to my cousin Cheryl. She's up in the Dingian area. She sent me, I've got 4 kilos of macadamia nuts. So I've been waiting to see what I'm going to cook, but today's all about freshness and doing. So we've got to prepare early, so I'm going to do a few of these, soak them in honey, put them in the air fryer and roast them. And then I'm cooking a tandoori curry tonight, chicken tandoori. And I'll put these in last for a bit of crunch and the sweetener. Hopefully it goes well. Sprinkle of coriander on top, can't wait for that. Absolute beautiful. Yeah, shout out Cheryl, here's the recipe, I'm finally doing it. See how it goes. The next one will be a beef one, but anyway, cheerio. Well, yes, it's still Saturday and this is the first serve. This is, I'll give it a stir. So as you can see. Good one's under it. And a bit. Oh, look at that, mate. She's just cooking nice bubbling.
They are?
Absolutely beautiful. Curry snags and rice for the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can't beat it for Saturday. We'll check the chicken, Brenda. What do you reckon, bro? See how she's looking. It's only nice and slow. Oh, yep. It's starting to cook in now.
That's what I thought it was fucking weird. So Michael and Tim come to the
As you can tell, guys, a few more videos to come, but that's just starting to. It's a nice sear on it.
You can see it change the colours on the outside.
Cooking beautiful. Rightio.
What have you been doing?
That's number 1 pot. I've got number 2 pot down here for later on for the curry. Then we'll all bloody gorge and get right up. Anyway, cheerio. I'll talk this later. Righto. I'm just going to baste it a bit. I've seared them. Just give them a bloody, all the juices coming out. Just a quick bloody, look at that, all the colour on that, guys. Yummo. Just a quick bloody bit of the last flavour. That's perfect colour. Just to finish, just whoa.
What is it? What's the base there?
You got honey, soy, garlic, and I've squeezed a heap of fresh lemon in it. Beautiful. Just to finish them off. Just to finish. Curried snags is about done. Just a quick last little base for them. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that.
Big Nora Jones tonight.
One more to go, everyone.
Ooh, the big curry. That's set up.
And that'll do for the flavour. No more basting. I'll just let them finish off. I've got. Righto, the last turn. Just to finish. Oh, look at that marinade on there. How good is that? How good is that? Oh, look at that. Proper flame grilled chicken. Just to finish him off.
Big lamb. Big lamb with the big hands.
Hey. Proper flame grilled. What do you reckon, Milo?
Oh, woo. Looks good.
Guys, now I've got the vindaloo curry on. This is the second bit of the recipe. So I've got some snow peas. And all the way from Gingin, Queensland, with cousin Cheryl. I touched a little with the macadamia nuts. So I've roasted them in honey. Look at the colour of them, guys. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at that. So they're going in there with them. And then we'll go out to the... Righto. That's what we've got. Put the video down there. Some snow peas and the macadamia nuts. Righto. We'll go put them in the curry. And we'll get back to you. See you in a minute. Right, guys. This is the second serving. This is my vindaloo curry that I touched on earlier. That my auntie sent some recipe for. So if you want to come in here with the cameraman. So I've got chicken, onion with the masala paste.
That sounds nice.
Roast in there to finish it off. We've got our snow peas with macadamia nuts. That all goes in. Give her a stir. Look at the colours in that, guys. They look pretty good. Look at that simmer into it all. and we'll go from there. Never tried this before, but we'll see how she goes. What do you reckon, buddy?
Yeah, I think it will go nice.
I think it's going to be good.
Yeah.
Anyway, cheerio. We'll wait for the result when we finish up. Afternoon, guys. See you later. Afternoon, guys. Well, time has come. I've cooked my vindaloo curry. Actually, it's a little bit hot. I'll get my hook. Give me 2 seconds. Don't want to burn the mitts off myself. You see him down here. I'll give him a stir. Yummo. All the colours in that, guys. So you got macadamia nuts, snow peas, onions, chicken, plus all the sauces. Just going to let it sit there and cool off a while. The nuts have they've been roasted in honey in the air fryer. They're nice and soft now, so we'll see how she goes. New recipe, new try, but anyway, could be good, could be shit. We'll see a bit later when people try it. Anyway, cheerio, guys. Thanks for viewing. Hooroo! There we go, guys. All the way from Gin macadamia nuts, the nice tandoori curry rice, coriander, and a beautiful serving, fresh on the fire. Through the fire, bit of naan bread. Oh, how good's that, guys? Look at that. How good is that? Now she's just going to have a little spoonful and we'll do a taste test just to see if it's all right. Is it all right?
Yum.
There we go, guys. How good's that? Hooroo!